Ito mga idol, tara sabay-sabay natin panoorin at magbigay tayo ng reaction at hopefully mapagbigyan tayo ni Kalingap Rob at Team Kalingap mga idol. Grabe, isang babaeng napakagandang boses at napakagandang babae. Partida, kumakanta po siya ng walang mic at nagulat talaga ang Team Kalingap dito. Grabe, pati ako na-amaze ako. Hopefully mapagbigyan tayo courtesy by Kalingap Rob sa kanilang video. Hopefully mapagbigyan tayo. Okay, let's go, panoorin natin.
Ayan, kakantahan niya tayo, bro.
Yes po.
Anong kakantahan mo?
Yung Two Less Lonely People po. Yung kay
Ganda, no?
Ito pong kanta na to ay para po sa mga viewers na patuloy pa rin sumusuporta sa akin mula sa vlog po nila
Kuya Tats.
nila Kuya Tats, nila Ate Ligaya po. Ayan po. Maraming salamat po. Para to sa inyo po.
Don't forget, pakipollow po ang Facebook page ni Idonatics and Idsinatics mga idol ha. At Kalingap Rob. Ayan.
I was down, my dreams were empty. Wow! When you're lost, where do you begin?
Galing!
Always into today, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smile, and I reach out to you. Wow! I could tell you were lonely too. One look, and then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touch, I know that there will be two less lonely people in the world, and that's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something's finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Wow! Ang galing! Grabe!
Just to think what might happen. Looking back,
Ay, sumayaw pa oh.
how did I exist? A dream, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something's finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight.
Wow! Napakagandang boses! Yan po si Ma'am Krista, no? Na talagang kahawig ni Ma'am Biancy, ang gandang babae at napakagandang boses. Grabe! Hopefully mga idol, nagustuhan nyo ang boses ni idol nating Krista, no? At hopefully, kung okay lang sana, don't forget pakipollow po ang kanilang Facebook page, Kalingap Rob, at itong si Idonatics and Idsinatics Worldwide po mga idol. Grabe! May future itong batang to. Panigurado, talagang sisikat ito. Ang ganda ng boses at napakaganda. Babae, maamo ang mukha at talagang wow! Nako, grabe talaga. Si Ma'am Krista nga ang pangalan dito. Ang lupit. Hopefully mapagbigyan po tayo ha na no? Grabe! Wala akong masabi kundi salute dito sa Kalingap Rob at sa mga team Kalingap po. Lalo family Kalingap, marami yan sila at hopefully mapagbigyan po tayo na na-react po natin ang kailang video. First time ko po ito na mag-react sa kanilang video at hopefully mapagbigyan po tayo. So maraming salamat Idol Kalingap Rob, minsan pag pumunta ako sa live mo, ma-shoutout mo ako, Dugong Pinoy. Maraming salamat mga idol. At isa sa mga idol ko, yan si Ma'am Gwen. At lahat ng Kalingap, mga angels Kalingap, yan ay suportahan po natin. Maraming salamat at kung ano po ang inyong mga opinion regarding sa boses ng batang ito, napakagandang babae at napakagandang dilag at I'm sure na mai-guide ito ng maayos sa Team Kalingap, lalong-lalo na ni Idol Kalingap Rob. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.
I tried so hard and got so